So good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So in this CMMS video series we'll make every concept simple and learn each module through step-by-step hands-on practice. Learn it, do it and master it. Let's get started. So in our last video we have discussed the user management menu. So under user management we have learnt about single user creation, bulk user creation and view user creation. So single user creation, I will just do a quick revision of our last class. In single user creation we can create users like charge admin, charge users, enumerators, supervisors, field trainers, but in practical use we will create charge admin and charge user using single user account creation. We will be using the bulk user creation for creation of enumerators and supervisors, as this already discussed in our last class, that there will be a download template. So in download template we need to fill the details of enumerators and supervisors, and after that we need to upload this Excel using this select Excel button, right? So after that uploading, our users will be created, and the next menu in the drop down is view users. So after the uploading of users, if there is no error, then our users will be created. So for that those users which are created, we need to download the Excel and cross check it whether all the users are correctly created or not. In case if there is some issues in users, we can edit it by going to the edit button on the rightmost in the screen, right? You can see that edit profile. So edit profile option is available, but one thing you should keep in mind, only that user can the users who have created these users can only edit the profile of these users, right? So in edit profile, if we go, you can see that these are some of the fields that are editable, right? Name, age, mail, email ID, mobile numbers. These things we can edit and save changes. We can do the save changes. After saving, the profile will be editing of profile will be completed, right? So you can see the status also that these users are currently in active state. So this is all about the users modules. In our next module we'll be going through HLO management, right? So this is with the HLO management module. Under HLO management we will be discussing create or view HLB. After that we will discuss HLB description, supervisor circle creation, revocation, HLB allocation, HLB revocation, supervisor and enumerator appointment letter and ID card generation, appointment letter and ID card generation of reserve supervisor and enumerator. After that upload supervisory maps and enumerator maps, village register, charge register and FB's house list. These all are under the HLO management menu. So we will be discussing one by one. So first we will be discussing the create or view HLB option, right? In create or view HLB, what we need to do, we need to maximize it, and after that for the first time all the villages will be uploaded, right? Up to this field, let's say this field, up to village, town or name, and all these details will be pre-filled. These will be directly pre-filled. We don't need to enter anything in up to this field, right? Means up to village and town we don't need to add anything. This will be pre-filled. After that from hamlet's name till number of HLBs we need to fill the data. Let's say these are some of the fields where we need to fill the data, like hamlet's name. If there is any hamlet under this village, then we need to name the hamlet. After that estimated present population, this is very much important. So we need to fill the estimated present population. After that number of panchayats. So in case of one panchayat we should mention 1. If two panchayats are also there, then we should mention 2. Areas in hectares, this will be pre-filled. And after that we need to mention the number of HLBs. The HLB calculation is like that, that for 700 to 750 up to 800 population we can consider a single HLB. Means 700 to 800 population we can consider one HLB. So let's say there are 1400 population. In that case we will consider 2 HLB. In 2400 population of a village, in that case we will consider 3 HLBs. Similarly, we need to mention the number of HLBs. Here 4200. So we are considering here 6 HLB. 7 6 are 42. So in this way we need to mention the number of HLB. After that, there is a submit button at the below, right? So this submit button was visible, but it's right now not visible because we have already freezed this village HLBs. These screens we have already freezed, so submit button is not visible. But before freezing, the submit button will be there, and above it there will be freeze option and update option. So let's say before freezing we can update it also, but after freezing it is not possible for us to update estimated population or any number of HLBs. Only thing that we can do after freezing is just add HLB. One more thing, after freezing, when we will be adding the HLB, then the last HLB number which is allocated to a village, and that number next to that number only will be given. Let's say 005 and 0006. If we add one HLB, let's say we are giving one HLB. After that, when we'll create, you will see 101 new HLB has been created. Means the last HLB that was created was 100, and after that the next number was 101. In this way the sequence will not be there, but at the first time only the sequence will be there, and after that, after freezing, if we are adding the HLB, then the last number plus 1 will get the HLB number for the new HLB. So this is basically the concepts of HLB. So HLB means house listing block. So after filling these details, we need to submit it, and after submitting we need to freeze it. There will be a button called freeze here. After freezing, this button HLB mapping option will be visible, right? So HLB mapping means house listing block mapping. This is basically when we click on this button, you will be redirected to a different portal which is called HLBC web mapping application. This is used for geotagging, demarking the HLB boundary. So let's say we are logging in this portal. So see, this will be the home page of that portal, and these are some of the options called dashboard, assignment, map, and tables. So we'll be using this. We'll be doing many videos on this HLBC portal. So for today we will be not continuing in this portal. We'll be doing in our CMMS portal only. We'll be explaining how other fields and what all we can do. One more thing, after creation of this HLB, means after freezing, we need to download the Excel, right? Download the Excel, and we need to keep it handy for cross checking whether we have correctly done or not, right? So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching this video, and for more step-by-step CMMS portal videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming session. I am sure enough that these videos will be very much beneficial for your forthcoming Census 2027. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.